4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys. Bang, look at that. Oh, good hit on the Scooby-Doo machine by number 37. Whoa, getting a little air on number 10. Oh, good hit right there. Bang! This junk run's turning out to be a real great heat, fans. Okay, they're lining up, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, shove them into the wall. Oh. Oh, we got another one back to life here. Three, 2, 1, have at it, boys. Oh, they're beating and banging in this heat, ladies and gentlemen. That's it, wind her out. Car number 69, the little Jimmy's wedged into the corner there. Somebody give him a bump. There we go. Maybe he'll get going now. Oh, we're lining up here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no. Car number 55 is getting some speed to line up here now. Looks like fans, we're down to 4 vehicles here. Oh, nice hit by number 00. Bang, there we go. That cement doesn't move. We're getting lined up here, 00, shove them around. Oh, there goes the tire. ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I think we got our heat winners here right now. Looks like it's car number